It looked like I was being chased. I wasn't being chased. I'll bet you're here because you want to know how I grew such beautiful, flagrant hair in such a short amount of time. I did it by using the Rode Wireless Pro with the Insta360 X5. That's how you get some incredible audio, probably some of the best audio out of the box and as fast as possible for a low cost that's efficient, practical, and easy to set up. This is probably the best solution. So you can pretty much do this using standard things that you can pick up pretty easy or order for very cheap on Amazon. But it's only, let's see here, 2 parts. So it's 2 parts, there's no bracket. It's basically just a 4-foot USB-C to USB-C cable going from the Wireless Pro all the way up the invisible selfie stick and then just plugged straight into the USB-C port on the X5. Because it's the Rode Wireless Pro, you can hook it onto yourself like on your lapel, just the transmitter itself, or you can do what I'm doing right now and make it very low profile where I have the lav plugged into the transmitter, which is on my back, and the receiver is just rubber banded here at the bottom of the handle. So basically it's just USB-C all the way down the invisible selfie stick, Velcroed and rubber banded to keep the cable nice and tight to the pole, with the receiver rubber banded below my hand on the invisible selfie stick. This one is simple. You don't have to buy anything extra for the camera, such as the bracket or the audio adapter. And ooh, the shade is nice, right? The shade is nice. Try to keep in mind that you don't want to have a cable that's so long that you have to cover the slack in the shot, because if you have to coil the cable, it's gonna be pretty, ugly. So just get something 3 to 4 feet. I don't even have the pole extended the whole way. I just have it the right amount of distance so that the cable is nice and tight. Again, it's the Insta360 X5 in combination with the Rode Wireless Pro and a simple USB-C to USB-C cable covering the distance between the invisible selfie stick and the camera. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Let us know in the comments kind of stuff you want to see. And again, thanks for joining us today here at Fish Camp Films. Fish Camp Films.